morphogenetic fields like the ones humans would have, but even a particule represents a morphogenetic field itself. So they form, we could look at them, if you wanted to, as little tiny units that are the morphogenetic field, our form-holding pattern that we come out of. And we are composed of particuli. Everything is. The space in the air here is composed of particuli. Our bodies are. Our higher consciousnesses. Particuli are the unified energy field that runs through the entire cosmos. Okay, let's go back to here. Okay. The particuli are units of electrotonal consciousness. They are the organizational intelligence within all things. In spiritual terms, they are living units of conscious identity and energy, particles of the consciousness of the unicide, which some people call God. We are made of these things. People think God is somewhere out there, someplace away from us. We are made of the substance of which that being is. These particuli are not just energy units, they're energy identity units. They are conscious. And they have consciousness. They will group to form different types of consciousness and awareness. They don't think in terms like we do. But we think because we are composed of them. So in spiritual terms, the particuli are our direct connection and continual connection to a centralized source that we may call God if we're comfortable with that. And if not, the unicide works. It's an energy identity that is a central source of creation. And we take place within it. It's not out there somewhere. All of reality is taking place within it. And this is one of the things you'll learn in Kilanta. You will learn the scientific parts of it, which a lot of spiritual people go, oh, that's not important. And then you'll learn the spiritual parts of it that a lot of scientific people say, oh, that can't be because spirit's not real. Hopefully through Keylontic science, we can learn that yes, spirituality and our spiritual identity is as real as the identity of our leg or our arm. They are the same substance. They're composed of the same particles. And those particles are particuli. Okay, now there are two types of subparticles that are formed from the particuli. The first one we'll call the particum. Okay, it is a particuli unit. It's considered a particuli. But the particum particuli is slower moving, and it contains half of the electrotonal, which is electrified sound, thrust, or force, of its twin. So we have a particum, and the particum has a twin.